A contentious High Court case in Zimbabwe is brought to light allegations of fraudulent land acquisition involving Minister of Local Government and Public Works, Minister Daniel Garwe, and PPC Zimbabwe. Sanapenda mashoko ari kuda panapa achiona kuti court case yaichinyasoratidza kuti aiwa vana Daniel Garwe panguva ino hapana kana zvavari kuita. They have just been involved corruption cases anoyatsongoonekwa kunzi they are struggling our own country and economy. Remember, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tivida panapa munihanda mudanyora chiti the plentiful Nikavano Housing Cooperative claims a prior valid offer for the same land was discarded and potentially forged documents were created to facilitate the transfer to PPC. Interestingly, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, after being invited by Garwe, recently officiated the handover of title deeds to PPC for the disputed land. The case HCH 2025 has detailed a protracted dispute over a substantial piece of land known as Remainder of Subdivided E Arlington Estate. A few weeks ago, PPC Zimbabwe head of Legal and Compliance Mr. Tawanda Chiurai was quoted thanking the government decision to restore the company's ownership of the property. PPC owned the Arlington property prior to 2010 when it was erroneously acquired. We then engaged the government and they resolved to give the land back to us. Given the circumstances, today was the ceremonial handover of the title deeds to us, he said. However, according to the court papers, Nikavano Housing Cooperative was formally registered in 2005 and subsequently offered the 530.25 hectare land by Minister of Local Government, Public Works and National Housing on January 15, 2006. The cooperative stated that this offer later remained valid. The documents have outlined a series of frustrating attempts by the cooperative to have their layout plan signed by the Secretary for Local Government and Public Works, who is cited as the third respondent. The situation took a turn when the Secretary for Local Government allegedly began parceling out portions of the land occupied by Nikavano Housing Cooperative. One of the beneficiaries of the process, according to the court documents, is PPC Zimbabwe Limited. The second respondent, the cooperative has contested that the allocation to PPC was illegal as their original offer letter for the same land was never officially withdrawn. Lomba shikari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panapa aita nyukawe involviwa aiwa kuissue land zviri fraudulent. Panguva ino vatiri kuona kuti utra aiwa pieces of land dzevanhu vachinodzi offer aiwa kune vamwe vanhu for self enrichment. Panguva ino iri kuonekwa kunzi these guys they are now desperate. The only option yavainayo ndeyekubribe vanhu kuti varimena into power. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu. So subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.